would not believe your eyes if 10 million fireflies sit at the beach as I fall asleep. Yalla.
Is this heaven? Or is it just a white woman? A white woman's Instagram. White woman. A white woman's Instagram. White woman. A white woman's Instagram. White woman. A white woman's Instagram. Latte foam art, tiny pumpkins, fuzzy comfy socks.
I want my 6 feet back. My 6 feet of distance, I want them back. I want them back real bad, bitch. I'm at the grocery store, you know the place. I'm getting some whole milk, whatever. This woman comes up, stands this close to me. She's got to get this close. She's got to get her milk right away. She reaches over. I want her to turn and go, excuse me, actually. I'll be taking all of the milk. I'll be taking all of the whole milk. The state just reopened. 10,000 people. I can have an event. I'm having a pancake breakfast, bitch, and I'm giving them the good shit. You can have the 2%. They're having a goddamn good flappy jacky time. You know why? Because we've all spent a year trying to stay away from people like you.
You call a hot dog that slides in a hole of a sweet Hawaiian roll?
Call that a Friday night, baby! Woo!
Doing annoying things to my dog that he does to me. Barking when he's asleep.
If she's not walking like this after, you did not do it the right way.
What to wear on your first day of school. So first, you're going to want a fun button down, as well as an appropriate pair of shorts. A sophisticated blazer, in case you get cold. Personally, like to belt my blazers to accentuate my waist. I popped on my favorite sneakers, super cute. Moving on to hair. I decided to do a high ponytail to keep the hair out of my face. I added my mask. Don't forget your lunch, your cute school bag. You can carry all of your things, either sunglasses or your normal school glasses. And that's the look. Enjoy your first day of school.
Oh, Lord. Lucas, prueba el pastor.
And here's your pasta. And if there's anything else I can do for you, you just let me know. Thank you. Bland. Very bland. You see that? Overcooked pasta. And the sauce is just salty. I wouldn't feed this to my dog. They call this pasta. They should be embarrassed. Who is he talking to?
All right, Mr. Jassy, and you'll be sitting here at Mr. Bezos' desk.
Oh, this was Jeff's old desk.
That's right. He loved it, and
Why is there a doll of Mark Zuckerberg in here?
The pen's out yet?
Kinda, there's one up his ass.
I'll take that.
The hell is this?
That was Jeff's white noise machine. He said it helped him sleep. This is supposed to be relaxing? You don't think it is?
Oh my god. What is this?
Oh, that's Jeff's end the internet button. One hit of that button and The whole internet is gone.
He could do that?
It took a lot of self-control for him not to. Only 2 of those in the world, with him and the Chinese government.
The internet can be ended by Amazon or the Chinese government.
Weird how you separated the two. You're learning a lot on your first day.
What's that?
Shh, this was his favorite part.
Chef Ramsay's gonna love my peanut butter spaghetti crab tacos. They're the best on the East Coast.
He said they were rancid and he found a dead marmoset in the back of the freezer.
That's a family recipe!
I'm just glad the cameras are here so he can't hit me.
I don't see what's wrong with the lobster grease pie. I mean, it's not haute cuisine. Not everyone gets to train in London, England, Europe. But I'm used to feeding big, strong Staten Island boys.
My father wanted me to stay working in the restaurant, but I actually had dreams of going to law school.
No, you didn't!
Sweetheart, come here.
Okay.
Would you eat that?
Oh, no, Chef Daddy. Ramsay.
Harry Bright.
Wow, this is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Man, this is the greatest thing since bread. This is the greatest thing since modern wheat cultivation. Damn, this is the greatest thing since selective breeding of wheat. Damn, this is the greatest thing since sandless milling floors. Damn, this is the greatest thing since milling floors. Damn, this is like on par with the sickle right now. That's how good this is for man. Damn, this is the best thing since farming. Damn, this is the best thing since hunting and gathering. Damn, this is the best thing since evolving. Damn, this is the best thing since being a single-celled organism. Yo, this is the best thing since being a bunch of loose dust in space. Damn, this is the best thing since the Big Bang. Damn, this is the best thing.
Let's go.
Oh, no seas mamón, güey. El tortas. Wow, Spider Cholo. Ala.
3 in the morning, I know I should be asleep. Where am I going? The bathroom, cause I gotta pee. But something's preventing my peeing. I push on the door and that little bitch creaking. My roommate finna get mad if the door that I open prevents him from sleeping. I should get some WD-40 for the future, but frankly I don't got none now. I'm finna piss on myself, being over considerate to my roommate, so I don't wanna make one sound. Just a late night pee run, but I can't cause the door creak on. Fuck it, I'm about to pee in the sink, at the door finna squeak, it'll wake him up.
Hey, it's 3 in the morning, stop rapping.
And if you're gonna call me a bitch, make sure to put biodegradable in front of it. Because I break down easily.
Hello?
Hello,
What's your name?
I'm Hannah. I'm a dog.
What's your name?
Here's your message. Let me take the shot.
Yeah. What kind of shot was that?
It's gonna make you better. Let me take your heartbeat.
Okay. You gotta put this in your ear so you can hear me.
That's fine.
That's fine?
Bye.
Bye, doctor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, big dog. I see you just called yourself an alpha male. I mean, that's good for you, I guess, but like, we both know what that really means. You don't wash your ass. And I mean, like, you don't gotta wash it, but like, no, you gotta wash it. You should probably wash it. It's just something about dudes calling themselves alpha male. It just makes me feel like you don't wash your ass. And I don't think I'm wrong on this one. You know? Anyway. This cookie good.
So, despite me telling the kids not to eat in their room, yeah, that's a full-ass potato.